Your mood, your growth, your metabolism, your appetite are controlled by invisible chemical messages called hormones. Now, what are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers secreted by the endocrine glands. They travel through the bloodstream to target organs where they trigger specific responses. But wait, not all hormones act the same way. Let's see some examples of endocrine glands and the hormones they secrete. The pituitary gland secretes the growth hormone, which regulates growth. The pancreas secretes insulin, which regulates blood sugar. The thyroid gland secretes tyrosine, which regulates metabolism. And the pineal gland secretes melatonin, which regulates sleep. Adrenal gland secretes cortisol, which regulates stress. And the ovary secretes estrogen, which controls the female development. Hormones can be classified based on their chemical structure. The peptide hormones are a class of hormones made up of polypeptide chain. Examples include insulin, oxytocin, and follicle-stimulating hormone. Lipid-derived hormones. This class of hormones are derived from cholesterol and are structurally similar to it. Examples are the estradiol, the cortisol, and estrogen. Amino acid-derived hormones are water-soluble molecules synthesized from the amino acids thyroxine or tryptophan. Examples include thyroxine, melatonin, and epinephrine. Mechanism of hormonal actions describe the way hormones control your cells. Based on this, there are hormones with cell surface receptors, which gives fast and rapid response, and hormones with intracellular receptors, which gives slow but long-lasting effects. Hormonal action based on cell surface receptors occurs when the hormone released from the endocrine gland binds to its receptor on the cell membrane. The binding of the receptor to the cell membrane activates intracellular activities, which leads to a fast and strong cellular response. Hormonal action based on intracellular receptors occurs when lipid-soluble hormones pass through the cell membrane and bind to receptors inside the cell. The hormone receptor complex in the nucleus then directly affects gene expression. In summary, hormones act through cell surface receptors for rapid effect or intracellular receptors for long-term changes. When hormones are imbalanced, it can lead to conditions like diabetes, thyroid disorders, and infertility. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more simplified lessons.